They say one of the organizers or whatever, we they part of the show people, say me, if I no go come the radio station, then they no go take me go my hotel. That be one. Bam, bing, 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 bing. Alarm.
Abusian for me mama kwaba adeba Xposed so munya bema limo aleken kwa me ameka I pa SM for life ye de enye SM for life I oba anything won say ena atwam yi ena hu say ye Hogbetsotso festival na Hogbetsotso festival no festival na ye won say e wo say enkofo na ewo kuro ni mu no echi wonani iti ya grandi show a e wo say Shatta Wale ene ye the mainstream artist na oda poster no eso na we ena show na ye bebo no nkofo ni na ewo Hogbetsotso twen say Shatta Wale ebeba obia twen say Shatta Wale will be available na nkofo atwen ya Shatta Wale amma we ena utumu se Captain Smart onua TV mu utumu se ansa na festival ebekoso no the one of the main media the omutu omusi was ometwa na live and all that amankofo ye the ensa akebinti na ansa na ye be Hogbetsotso no Friday and cry I think on Thursday or so say Friday ye interview Shatta Wale onua TV inti we na I say oh Charlie say na Shatta ye no asa wa mankofo nsa ye den esi from any ade inti Captain Smart kra ebe gina na stage no so na woka say menua bema e wo say ope kwan papa bi na opa I before to all the Voltarians opa omocho because what you have done like said and ye normal na right be entwe ye kakra odu ebo so kakra kan we na ye papa Captain Smart po ekan na we na Shatta Wale asaye as usual why live video na watch they say show no I okoye pepepe na okono na wonya akono so chale se ne ekono de ono wa bre ono Shatta Wale this is what Shatta Wale is saying after issue na ya ba no or explaining and what you say obe bre se ono oba be bo show se nye plans and Hogbetsotso na bia this time na nye ne plans obe ko Hogbetsotso inti ebe ya onye ready so oba be chia nkofo afi na obeba na okochia ahemfo okochia mpenyifo ni ade like stressful be we kran fi onim se na nkofo do Shatta Wale obe kasasa afi the stage ni granas ebe du na obe perform ni grana wa bre so he wanted it to be say stage ni pen na obe ko and I say okay na kono na organizer na organize show ni say hwe ansa na Shatta Wale beba na emomu fani go straight to hotel o almost stand stay fan embassy enko radio station I wanna Shatta Wale say kai where the red light where the red light for him and we can say there be fair ade na Ghana for years obi say organizers of Ghana and no organize artists as organizers of Ghana no so obi free abrochi na Nigeria baby ba dia ye treating it good say all sha na eba be show ana obi ofi amono ni na eba ye show wo Ghana mepe osreo so the luggages ni na do airport apa ni started ni chinchin wo Peace FM okay FM ni GH1 ni ade ni radio station ade ana nyoma na egu na chini ama ni di now there be it wasn't night inti eno kra no account na ma say show no one pure one down the organizer ne kind red light I had said still na they na oye Ghana no enkofo entie because as organizers ne bi mu aye de omope and he's not a small artist that is why he turned down say one graces show no at that night ebusuafo in seminar o kai no or ye video and o kasa my equity video no
now so call them say I no tell them say when we come here I beg it be show where they contract me for we know they go great chief and those kind of I go tired the shows every evening Charlie I know how people they love me, and I know if I have to get into the crowd, Charlie, sometimes before your voice up, everybody go to talk to you. My voice all go to strain. Right now, if I go stage, if I don't go fish out, so I wanted to keep that energy for my lovely people of Water. As I ask them that question, say, you know, be this I tell you from a cry before we catch here. They say one of the organizers or whatever. We they part of the show people say me, if I no go come the radio station, then they no go take me go my hotel. That be one. Bam, bing, 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 bing. Alarm. Hey, I say, you say what? If you no go take me go, if I no go come to the radio station, so make I pack my luggage where I take from Accra. All come the radio station, Master. Make I take my luggage, all come the radio station. Then come do radio interview. Then if I finish, boy, me and you all day Ghana. Me and you all day Ghana. Ask yourself, is that how they treat the foreign artists? When they from airport, no, they take them go radio station because the Martins, then they take the Martins or they pack them my luggage. So you see live band. Then some artists if you come Ghana, then you see they come play live band and some international artists go then they get live band for the car in backup where the live band or they pack up, then they take go radio station. They must stay. Some of them if they come Ghana say they bring stage. Some of them they carry the stage. Then they catch radio station. Yeah, the artists come in stage all day there. Then the stage cars did the route up. Then they carry come radio station. Then the artists maybe they say Usher they come Ghana, Usher they come perform. Then they carry Usher carry the stage and the band and the sounds and in dresses and in everything. Munim nyame aden na muye nyame basa. Aden. Why you put no the respect Ghana artists one beat like that? Why? What we do you people?
It's ebusiafo maybe say is this enough excuse Ebema Shatta Wale on show na just on performing? I think it was just maybe so because it's in here say share wadwin no ba o share video no we are not commenting then you share idea and a thought about dream under this issue because question me person maybe say na in the first place is this enough reason Ebema Shatta Wale on person or performing e wo Hogbetsotso festival obi na see Obema wa akọ radio station akoye interview. The first question we have to ask, Senator Shatta Wale utie, we know how you are. Just a call. Ole no ko. Alo onyana there. Inye ma ya radio station ma for interview. Nye ma tan in radio station ma wo interview. What I say, simple. Mean to me go radio station ko ye interview. Simple as that. When nyan tokwa we nye dede. Then you just continue because what explanation now with ma Ghana for this year. Then you explain to him, say, brother, like, come on, my luggage is no, me go interview and say, I just want a peace of mind and perform for the people. Maybe I don't have the energy, maybe I met me there call radio station. And it was not part of the contract. And I be very bizarre, Shatta Wale. They say now I'm going to entry or kana. Send no claim say 150,000 Ghana cedis, that's 1.5 billion. I no. Maybe say old currency, yeah, the no. So when these people also come back, say they will come and take their money, is well now organize and kind of man a breach contact into who have scanning the it's a question like is this enough reason to give for Xposedgh me amedi jumedi ebro sama catch me ni lemo elikem kwame amega edumeku asel ma se enyo bia se nitrufi enkofo bia emane mebo odan so enyeden emma I say no almost so yasema edi jumedi ebro de na me cho say they are very legit no no the promotion where you free echo December aka 1 month pe obo say no mine mu ayeden dada israel from also baba odan so ma no workmanship na ebusiafo and I'm the episode. Mr. Subscribe, review, na share video, and let's chill out. So that's Sunday. Unya Bema, my crown. Bye bye.
Onyadofo de ne wo how e de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda